We are here at QuakeCon on an important mission to scout out gamers who are in desperate need of PC upgrades. With over $75,000 in PC hardware and peripherals to give away, we are here to answer one important question. Are you ready for Starfield? Welcome to QuakeCon 2023, the biggest, baddest, bring your own PC frag fest in the land. We are here celebrating the upcoming launch of Bethesda's behemoth of an undertaking, Starfield. Now, thanks to our partners AMD, Patriot, and MSI, we have GPUs, we have CPUs, we have NVMe drives. Look at all this stuff. And the best part, we're giving it all away. So here's what we're looking for. We're looking for people at like a BYOC that are playing on a console, or really underpowered laptops, or really old desktops.
Like potatoes.
Yeah, exactly.
And I think we should find groups of friends or couples to get in on the upgrade.
Right. Oh yeah, okay, I like that.
No guys, hold on. We can't just take PCs, upgrade them, and give them back. That's boring.
Okay,
You know, we gotta get creative.
You know what, you're right, we need to have fun with this. Oh, here's what we're gonna do.
Excuse me, sir. I'm Sheldon with the QuakeCon IT department, and we're noticing that this PC is responsible for pretty much slowing down every other PC on this row. I need to take a look at your system. What do you have in this thing?
No, that's not mine.
Oh,
where's the one down below?
Oh my gosh. Well, maybe that's the problem. You put it on, is it on a pillow?
No, that's the foam for the monitor.
Let me look at your IP address. Oh, okay. I think I know what the problem is. I'm gonna have to talk to the NOC real quick. Yeah, I'm over here at junction 210. This is a code red. If you could go ahead and bring me the big hardware. It's Sheldon with IT. Sheldon. Just bring it. So the only way we know how to fix this is just to pretty much replace the entire computer.
Oh no.
So what we have here is we have a 7900 XTX, a 7800 X3D with a 360 millimeter AIO. It's DDR5 RAM.
Oh man.
6,000 mega transfer. So here's the deal. AMD wanted to make sure that your PC would be good enough to play Starfield and not the criminal offense that thing is, okay? So I just want to say on behalf of AMD and Starfield, your PC is now officially Starfield ready.
Oh my goodness.
Hi, Scott.
Oh, hello.
I like you a lot. Are you ready?
Sure.
Hit it. My good friend, my friend, at QuakeCon. This song I fear will not last long. This PC, good friend I hear, is not quite ready to play Starfield. But heart, good friend, what do I see? It's our good friends at AMD with chips and boards and GPUs. Enough upgrade to see you through. Oh, this rig, my good friend from first timer.
Well, I'm pretty sure you've probably never gotten a stinging telegram like that before, have you?
No, I haven't.
We're taking a look at your rig, and we know that you're here with your family, and we wanted to say it's not fair that your kids have a better system than you. So we wanted to make sure that you were ready for Starfield. So the team at AMD and MSI wanted to gift you with a brand new motherboard, a 7800X3D, Radeon 7900 XT, and then you also have a PSU to make sure you got all the power. I just want to make sure that you know that your PC will officially be Starfield ready.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hey, you two. Okay, stop playing games. Hey, look at me. I'm with AMD, and I was looking at your systems, and I noticed you're both playing Diablo, and it looks like you were playing together. Are you guys friends?
Absolutely.
I've noticed that your systems could use an upgrade. Are you guys down to win some hardware?
Yes.
Okay. We are going to be playing a new game called Just In Case. What we have is inside of one of these cases, the PC upgrade of a lifetime, and in the other, maybe nothing. One of you is going to get to look inside the case for 3 seconds. The other person gets to ask them 5 questions and then determine if they're going to keep their case or if they're going to take the case in front of the other person. Okay, so you're going to open this case. And you're gonna take a look at, now don't let him see. Wow, look at this, he's turned around. Okay, go ahead and open the case. Okay, you think you have a good idea of what's inside of it?
I think I have a good idea.
Do you want that case?
Yes.
And if I was to take that from you, would you be upset?
No.
Oh my gosh. These guys are good friends.
I'll keep this case.
He's gonna keep this case.
gonna
He's
keep
gonna
this
keep this case.
Wow.
Do you want to keep this case or do you want to switch with his case?
I'll switch.
Okay, go ahead and open it. So unfortunately, he played a game on you. This may not be the better case, but we know we're here at AMD. We need to make sure that you both have PCs that are good enough for Starfield. So,
And wow again.
well, guys, on behalf of AMD, we want to say thank you so much for playing Just In Case. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take these parts and take the severely lacking rigs that you have, and let's get them upgraded.
Good evening.
Hi.
Hi.
Your reservation for the QuakeCon luxury dining experience is prepared.
Wonderful.
So if you'll follow me, I'll take you to your table.
All right.
Oh, please, ignore the film crews. They're simply here to ensure that your experience is quite literally unforgettable.
Here's your purse.
Hello.
Hi.
I am Chef Robey, and I am here to make a fantastic evening for you, okay? What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to give you some options, and this will set the palette for the rest of the evening, okay? You have 2 choices. You can either have a Ryzen 7 7800X 3D or these old potato chips.
Is it her choice or my choice?
It's your choice. Okay, that is a good option. Just to keep you snacking, though, here's some old potato chips. They're gonna be very, very good, okay? Okay. Oh, this is a Radeon 7900 XTX. It will go very well with your current selection. Do you agree?
That sounds great.
Yeah, would you like to smell it?
Oh, sure. You can switch it around
You
a little
smell
bit.
that fragrance.
Yes.
Oh,
Very fine, very fine.
It is. You have good taste. For your next option, we wanted to have something a little spicy, okay? So this is your vegetable option.
Okay.
The first one is we have some DDR5, 6000 mega transfer RAM, and an NVMe drive. Or would you like to have some carrots, some celery, and I don't know what's in the middle?
You know what? I think that'll go good with the wine.
You sure you don't want this?
Oh yeah, sure. Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
now that you have had your spicy course, we wanted to make sure that you could cool it. So we have the MSI Core Liquid 360mm cooler that like blows through your hair. It gives you lots of cooling.
Yeah.
Do you feel it?
Yes,
Do you
I
feel
do.
okay? Great. Or you can have an apple.
I don't want that.
I don't.
Okay.
I was just cleaning it. It will be fine. I think based on your selections, I have a great idea of what to make you. I will be back in just a moment. I just must prepare them here. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Oui,
All
oui.
right.
Come on, Jeter. Go, go.
Are they taking us? Like,
the perfect dish for you. Congratulations on your brand new PC, but because this is a couples affair, we couldn't do just one meal. Hello?
Are you serious?
Wait, we get to eat this?
Let's
Hold
go!
on.
Oh, of course,
There's
there we
two?
go. So,
What
on
was
behalf
you?
of the team at AMD, I would just like to say we
Holy
wanted to
crap.
make sure that you had a fantastic Starfield experience. So we'd love to give you both of these amazing
Holy
PCs for
crap.
you to have a fantastic QuakeCon. Wait, one more thing. Hold on. The experience is not complete.
We don't have to do anything for him?
No, you just have to enjoy them.
So,
Oh,
I knew
yes,
yours
here
was
we
coming.
go.
I didn't know
I
I
would just
one
like
too.
to say, on behalf of us, you now have 2 PCs that are Starfield ready. Your PCs are now Starfield ready.
Wow.
Have a great evening.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks to our partners at AMD, MSI, Patriot, Seagate, we did so many upgrades here at QuakeCon. And let me tell you, it was absolutely legendary. With the powers of Ryzen and Radeon hardware, we are leaving here with a few more people ready for the launch of Starfield in September.
My PC is Starfield Ready.
My PC is now Starfield ready.
My PC is ready for Starfield.
Our PCs are Starfield ready.
To make sure you're ready for Starfield, AMD is bundling both standard and premium editions of the game with Ryzen 7000 series CPUs, as well as Radeon RX 6000 and 7000 series GPUs. While you're waiting for September, check out what happened behind the scenes during these AMD upgrades at QuakeCon by following us on all of your favorite social media platforms. There, you're gonna find more videos like this, PC builds, neat tech, and lots of amazing dad jokes. And for your chance to be part of giveaways like these, and we know how much the internet loves free stuff, make sure you follow, like, and subscribe to Robeytech on all social media and streaming platforms. We want to give a huge shout out to AMD, MSI, Patriot, and Seagate for providing the components we gave away in this video. We also want to say a heartfelt thank you to the awesome staff at QuakeCon for letting us pull off some fantastic stunts. Seriously, you are all the best. If you made it this far in the video, we want to say thank you so much for sticking around, and we look forward to seeing you on the next one.